Ah, I see you're back for more. Well, as you know, my name is Kizito. Today, we're going to talk about palindromes. What is a palindrome? Well, its purpose is to see if a series of characters like AAB, AA, reversed is still the same. And if it is the same, then you get true. If not, something like AABS is reversed, then it won't be the same. It will be SBAA, and that would be false. All right, so let's get started with this palindrome. All right, first thing we need to do is create a constant variable. Constant, we're just going to call it short for reverse and give it a value of the string dot split. And what split does is turn this series of characters into an array. Then we're going to use a helper method called reverse, which reverses the elements in the array. So now it should be SBAA, or whichever series of characters you want it to be. And then we're going to use another helper method called join. Put some quotes in there. There we go. And now when you use the helper method join, the array of elements become one single string. All right. Forget to put the semicolon there. Let's enter. And now all we need to do is return. So let's put return. And now we're going to use a comparison operator to see if the string is equal to the reverse string that we created above. All right. Looks like we got everything set up. So let's copy this. Now we're going to go to Google Chrome and open up the dev tool. I already have that opened up, so I'm just going to drag it over to the screen so y'all can see everything. And then I'm going to paste in the palindrome function that we just created. All right, let's press enter. Okay, now that's set up. Now let's call the palindrome and give it a string. All right, so let's try a string that we know it will be false, like word. Well, there you go. Just enter. It's false. See? I got false. So now let's try it again. This time we're going to use something like, I'm going to use the word I. This should be a palindrome. Remember, we should get true, right? Let's press enter. True. Awesome. That's it for today.